Followed by Ma'am Mary Correa, Ate Josie Dahil, Ate Emily Landero.
Happy birthday po, Mami. More birthdays to come.
Thank you so much. Next we have
To that picture.
Ate Annalisa Jennifer Duquiana. Kompleto talaga yan. Tita Ana, dito ka na. Yan.
Happy birthday. Alam mo na, alam mo na wala na akong parents. Ikaw na naging parents ko. Kaya, love na love kita niya. Kahit na alam mo na minsan, di ba?
Ano yung minsan?
Picture.
Next man, call in.
1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2.
Happiest birthday, Auntie. Wishing you all the best in life, good health, and more happy years to come. God bless.
Followed by Ruth Joy Duquiana.
Picture tita.
Oh, sorry.
1, 2. Sa baba. 1, 2.
Jacqueline De Los Reyes. Miss
Wala sila.
Josefina Montebelhen. Easy ma'am.
Atinel, happy 70th birthday. Grateful ako na isa ako sa napili para magbigay ng munting gift sa'yo. Wish ko laging good health at humaba pa ang buhay. At alam ko naman na always happy ka kasi hindi talaga tumanda. Laging naka-smile. Smile face talaga. Happy birthday po.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next we have Sir Roquildo Duquianan.
Picture po. Picture.
Followed by Ma'am Gloria
1,
Espinosa.
2. Sa baba. 1, 2. Okay na ba?
Happy birthday. Sana abutin ng 100 years. Happy birthday, Mami.
Next, I call in the Wells James Gonzalez.
Picture po. Picture.
Miss
1.
Lisa De Vera.
Sa baba. 1, 2.
Miss Lolit Dahil. Miss Joy Aizel Taderna. And of course, yan, Nanay Vicky Landero.
Annie, happy birthday. More birthday to come.
And thank you so much, ma'am. And Nanay Vicky Landero.
Picture po. Picture. 1, 2. Sa baba. 1, 2. Okay na ba?
Sabi na nila lahat ng mga organizers. I love you.
May I call in behalf of Ma'am Lolit Dahil.
Picture po. 1.
gusto man niyang pumunta, talagang hindi niya maiwanan yung dalawang makulit na ako. So, happy birthday daw po at maging masaya kayo lagi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, I call in the participants for the symbolic gifts. Ate Emmeline, Ate Ana, Maria Rezi, Ruth Joy Gonzalez, Ms. Jacqueline de los Reyes, Mama Sofina Montevergen, Ma'am Gloria Espinosa, Romel James, and the Vicky for the photo opportunity.